your thoughts, G?
That motherfucker purr.
Rawr.
Purr.
Rawr.
Hey, bitch panties gonna come off in this car.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog here, man. Hey, today, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I might make this a two-part series or I might make this just one video, but today, y'all, we are doing two big things to the car, bro, to make this thing fast, man. Y'all comment below, what do y'all think we doing to the Chrysler 300 performance-wise? We ain't doing no cosmetics, straight performance to the engine. Comment right now. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to drop a like, drop a sub to join the family, because I ain't gonna lie, if it's a two-part video, y'all gonna wanna have y'all noti bell on. Make sure I got y'all noti bell on and subscribe to the channel so y'all don't miss what we doing to the car. But your boy Dog just got off work, man. I got an appointment for somewhere, man. We finna make this car go crazy. We finna make this car go crazy, and then one of my parts just came in too, man. One of my car parts just came in, man. Shout out to CHRYLSER Performance. They finna get your boy right, man. They finna get your boy right. But enough of that talking, man. Look, we gonna have to get a cold one. It's not really a cold start because I just got to the crib and the car is definitely warm. We about to get a warm start of the Chrysler 300. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and see what this thing talking about. I ain't gonna lie, this thing about to get louder today, y'all. Look at that. That just look like the heaven gates. Jesus Christ. But like I said, man, let's get a little warm start real quick. See what this thing talking about. Hold on, let me chill though. I gotta put this big ass box in the trunk though. God damn, I need a cameraman. Hey, if you want to be a cameraman, I'll pay you $1 an hour.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
So we about to head out, man. Simple. Hold on. Oh, hold on. I don't got my garage open. Y'all know your boy Dog. Get up. Come on. This is probably going to be the most expensive thing I'm doing to the car. I ain't going to lie. This is going to be a little grip, but it's going to be worth it, bro. This car is about to be loud. It's about to be faster. Y'all guess right now where we going, man. Like I said, comment where y'all think we headed to do to the car, man. Like I said, we got two things to do today. We're gonna do one last pull with the car sounding normal. I just spit so much. I hope y'all didn't see that.
Wait a minute.
Hey, let's get this last pull, man. Let's listen real quick. Hey, this thing already sound good, but it's finna sound better. Boy, look at the sunburn. Why is the sun beaming like that, bro? Jesus Christ. But I'm gonna start recording when we get to the, you know what I'm saying, the building, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's going down. Simple as that.
Shit, you could look into my eyes, see the demon in me. She wanna have my baby, she like put that semen in me.
All right, man, we just made it to the destination, man. We finna get it cracking, y'all. I'm excited as fuck. I cannot lie to you. But hold on, let me flip this. Y'all see what's out there, bro. Underground tuning. We at underground tuning, man. Today we finna get tunes, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We finna get the tune. We finna get the pops. We finna get the everything. And they got a whole bunch of Pro Chargers and god damn. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I just know it make your shit fast. Yeah, man, they worked on Nissan GTRs. Bro, that's 3 of them in this picture. That shit crazy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I feel like a kid right now, bro. Like on Christmas Day. You feel me? I'm excited right now. I probably ain't showing it, but I'm excited. I don't know what to expect, bro. Man, shout out to my guy Jordan, man.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, what's going on today, G?
What tune you calling that?
Shit, it's out there. I'm trying to get that stage 1.
You got the keys?
Hell yeah, I got them.
Well, let me do my thing and then we gonna get it cracking.
All right, let's get it cracking then.
What year is your car?
22.
22? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, yep. So we gotta do a PCM unlock.
Okay.
So it'll be about 2 hours or so, but
okay,
we should take care of it.
Yeah, yeah, that's cool. Shit.
All right.
I'm ready to get it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited, G. I feel like a kid.
You gonna feel you got the V6 and V8.
I got V8.
5.7? Mm-hmm. Okay, you definitely gonna feel a nice difference.
Can I get the BURBLE too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You got an exhaust done to it?
Oh, I just got straight pipe.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Boom. It's gonna sound fire.
All right, bet. Appreciate it.
So, go out. You just sit right here, and then I'll bring you in when I need you.
Okay.
It'll probably be in about an hour.
All right, bet. Say less.
All right.
One day later.
What's up, y'all, man? Hey, it's a day later, bro. It got too dark when I got the tune done, man. But today, I'm about to show y'all how this thing is sounding, bro. All right, man. Y'all already know we got the demon right here, man. Y'all already know what's going on, bro. Let's get a cold start, bro. I haven't started the car today. Y'all see the ice just melted, bro. It's starting to snow down here. But shoot, we're gonna get a cool little cold start. See what this thing talking about. Man, that thing humming a little bit now. Hold on now. That thing humming a little bit, man. Y'all see the smoke coming out that? Good little cold start, bro. Good little cold start. Hey, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This tune just made my car 20 times better, man. Shout out to Underground Tuning. They did their thing, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all see that little green plugged in? Y'all see the tune is plugged in and everything like that, bro. Now I'm finna show y'all how this thing is sounded, bro. Y'all just got the cold start. It sounded good as hell, man. But hold on, look. Let me show y'all everything with that come with the tune and everything like that, man. You gotta download the app and everything like that, bro. Hey, don't judge my hand. My hand probably ashy as hell. But anyway, bro, y'all see we got the TDN, man. Y'all see we got the 93 octane stage 1 tune, man, with the burbles and everything like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? This how the app look and everything like that. You could data log. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna try this out today, bro. So you press start and basically get all the data when you like push it and everything like that, bro. If you got any codes that pop up on your dash, you know what I'm saying? You got a little, I don't know what, the coder, read all the codes and tell you what's wrong with the car if you got a problem. Yeah, man, it's the app right here, man. Nothing crazy, bro. But enough of that, man. We gonna let the car heat up real quick and then we gonna get to driving. I'm gonna let y'all hear how this sound, bro. It sounds crazy. All right, y'all. I'm about to head to my boy George crib, man. I gotta show him the new tune, but this is the first official, I guess, POV with the brand new BURBLE tune, man. Stage 1 tune on the Chrysler. Oh my God. Hey, we got a little stain right here too. Hold on, we got a stain next to us. We got a GT stain next to us. Hold on, man. Bro, I can feel the horsepower gains, the torque gains, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, you're gonna hear me down the street now. It's getting dangerous. We behind a little GT. I love people to race this little motherfucker. Yo, man, I'm slowing down for him. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna race the GT, man. I ain't gonna lie, them pops, hey, one thing about the pops though, bro, when people hear you on the street, bro, they moving out the way quick as hell, I promise you. When you make your burbles pop, bro, people move out the way like it's the Red Sea. Moses with the Red Sea, bro. Y'all know what I'm talking about. No, but I ain't gonna lie, bro, this car, bro, is so much more fun to drive, bro. It's faster. It's gonna put you in your seat a little quicker. And this thing loud as fuck now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if the video's doing it justice, bro, but this thing is loud as fuck. It literally sounds like somebody shooting, bro.
It was already supposed to happen.
Listen, nigga, I don't know what kind of gun that is.
If y'all think about getting y'all cartoon, man, y'all need to go do it, bro. ASAP. No cap. And I got my PCM unlocked. My new top speed is 80 miles per hour. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't finna snitch on myself, but the new top speed is crazy. But anyway, man, I'm gonna continue recording when I get to my boy George crib, man. And I'm gonna show him the new tune, man. Let him tell y'all how he feel about it. Simple. All right, man, we pulling up to my boy George crib, man. Hey, it's only right. His neighbor's finna be pissed. Hey, everybody wake up in this bitch. My God, George in this bitch, man. What's good? The drip severe?
Chilling, macking, back in the building, back in the flesh. Drip severe. Drip severe? You see what I... You see, come on. You see. Jesus pieces. Come on. Looking like French Montana. Aye.
Hold on. Drip severe? Drip severe. Hey, man, I'm finna show my boy George, man, the new tune, man. Hey, George, you gotta tell the people, keep it 100 with the people, bro. Let me know if you fucking with the core or not. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna sound a little crazy a little bit.
Come on.
All right, man. I'm gonna go there. Wake the whole goddamn neighborhood up in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, your neighbor's finna hate me, G. Your neighbor's definitely finna hate me, bro. This motherfucker sound. Man,
it smell loud.
That's that goddamn gas popping. No bullshit.
Booga.
That's all that tune is. It's like making bubbles out the gas, okay. And that's what's making that bitch pop like that.
Sure. Well, I smell it.
Now that's crazy. You're an alcoholic. Show them what you got, bro. You about to piss me off. It's really, dude.
It's a 10-piece.
That's a problem.
Might be more.
Hey, that's crazy. Popping, literally. I'm still trying to learn how to use these paddle shifters and shit. That shit confusing a little bit. Man, put your damn seatbelt on, man. Safety first, bro.
Can't drive.
Damn, bro.
That's all I need to hear.
But you don't gotta hold on to shit, man. You good?
I'm trying to keep the bitch sturdy, man.
Put you in your fucking seat, man. Alright, bet.
Just top of that hill, it's like a YMCA, I think. Alright, now. This ain't the road.
That bitch just farting.
Walk right here.
Where?
I'm taking pictures over there.
Say look.
Fresh.
Alright, y'all, man. Hey, now we finna get some see how it sound on the outside, bro. So y'all stay tuned. So you like sausage or oatmeal? That nigga put the fully sausage or oatmeal, bro. That is crazy. That's country, bro. Not even grits.
Nah, bro, sausage grits. No, hell no.
Sausage or grits go better with sausage and oatmeal. I can't imagine some brown sugar.
Sausage, oatmeal, the apple oatmeal, then brown sugar, some butter. Man, smash.
Bro, that's some fat nigga shit, bro. What do you want? What do you want?
Unlock this door,
What do
nigga.
you want?
It's cold.
What do you want? I don't like your kind. I don't like your kind.
Let me get that out the camera. That's dirty.
Yep. I'm not pushing this no more today. Ain't lie. Running out of gas. What's your thoughts, G?
That motherfucker. Purr.
Rawr.
Purr.
Rawr.
Hey, bitch panties gonna come off in this car.